Today, we're diving into something every new e-commerce store owner struggles with, which is how to get their first sale. Most beginners think you need to spend hundreds or even thousands on ads, but that's not true. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are making their first e-commerce sales without spending a single dollar on paid ads. Whether you're on Shopify, TikTok, Instagram, or just starting out, these strategies actually work. So if I lost everything tomorrow, no money, no brand, no audience, and I had to rebuild an e-com store from absolute scratch, here's exactly what I would do. So this is a real step-by-step plan that I would personally execute with no money to get started with. And if you're new here, my name is Joel and welcome to Ecom Mastery. Let's get into it. A lot of people ask me, Joel, is it possible to start e-com with no money? And I always say the same yes, but not the way most people think. The $0 strategy looks completely different from the paid strategy. And if you try to do the paid strategy without budget, you'll fail. But if you follow the approach I'm about to walk you through, you can build real momentum without spending a dollar. Stay until the end because I'm going to share the one platform shift that makes this easier than it's ever been. First, let's talk business model. If you have no money, you cannot hold inventory. That's not an opinion, it's math. So your options are drop shipping, print on demand, or digital products. My personal pick is print on demand, combined with a strong content angle. Here's why. Dropshipping margins have gotten thin, and winning products get saturated fast. Digital products require a different skill set, but print on demand lets you sell custom products, accessories, mugs, shirts, with no upfront inventory. Reasonable margins and full creative control over your whole brand. The key word there is brand. Generic stores are dead. You need a niche, a story, and a reason for people to choose you over Amazon. Print on demand lets you build that. So here's how you would set this up for no money. For your store, use Shopify's free trial. You can use a link down in the description. This link gives you a 3-day free trial, then $1 a month for 3 months. Now, for print on demand fulfillment, use Printify or Printful. Both are free to connect. You can only pay when a customer places an order, meaning your cost comes out of the revenue. For design, use Canva. The free version, it's powerful enough to create clean, professional product designs. For your storefront, keep it simple, one niche, 5 to 10 products max, clean branding, a clear homepage that tells people exactly what you sell and who's it for. And again, the total cost for this should be $0. Now, here's where most people get stuck. They build the store and then wonder how anyone is going to find it. The answer is short form content. You need to be posting on TikTok and Instagram Reels consistently, not occasionally, consistently. 3 to 5 posts per week, minimum. The content formula for e-commerce, it's really straightforward. Show the product, tell a story around it, then add a call to action. For example, if you're selling custom dog apparel, your content angle might be outfit for dogs who think they're people. Every video leans into that. The personality of your brand comes through. People follow, people share, people buy. The other free traffic channel I'd personally use is Pinterest. It's massively underrated for e-commerce right now. A single pin can drive traffic for years. Set up a business account, post your product images with keyword-rich descriptions, and let the algorithm do the work over time. Now, here's the thing I promised you earlier. The platform shift that makes $0 e-commerce more viable now than ever before. TikTok Shop. If you're not on TikTok Shop yet, you're leaving money on the table. TikTok Shop lets you list products directly inside the TikTok app when someone watches your video and wants to buy. They can do it without ever leaving the platform. The friction is gone, and that changes conversion rates dramatically. Combined with organic content, TikTok Shop, it's the single best free traffic to sales pipeline available right now. I've seen first-time sellers hit $5,000 in their first month using nothing but organic TikTok content and TikTok Shop as well. So there it is, guys. I would personally build an e-commerce store for no money. So if you want me to go deeper on any of these steps, the print on demand setup, the TikTok content strategy, or the TikTok Shop integration, let me know down in the comments and I'll build entire videos around what you ask for. If you want to try any of the platforms that I mentioned, you can check them out in the link down below. And just so you know, those are affiliate links, which means we might earn a small referral fee at no extra fee for you. This definitely helps us support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content just like this. Like this video if it gave you clarity. Subscribe to Ecom Mastery if you're serious about building something real. This is Joel, and I'll see you in the next one.